Hello everyone, welcome to part 25 of Laravel 10 tutorial in which we are creating the admin panel first of all. Okay, so we are going to start working on the roles and permission for our Laravel 10 series, and we are going to display these roles and permission for the subadmins. We are going to create the add edit subadmin module in which we are going to add the roles and permission section for the subadmins. Okay, even the admin can access these roles and permission, and it's better if we are going to add these subadmins. Okay, so I want to tell you, like, there are two types of admin we are having in our Laravel 10 series. Okay, one is the admin, we can also say admin or super admin, who able to manage anything, who is having all the privileges, all the roles and permissions, everything, who able to access, like this one, admin at the rate of admin.com. This is the admin, or we can also say the super admin. I'm going to show you in the admins table that we have created earlier. Like this type is admin, you can also make it super admin, one and the same thing. Okay, so this is only one. Okay, so in this case admin can able to see all the features of the admin panel and can able to add the new admin or subadmin. Okay, so this one is the admin, or we can also call it super admin. Okay, and the admin can able to call, and this is only one. Okay, in the one, basically it is always one. Okay, if you want to add more subadmin, if you want to give the same complete admin or super admin role and permission to sub other admin, then it's your choice, but it is always one. Okay, so this admin can able to appoint, can able to generate further more admin. Okay, like I'm going to show you like something like this, that he able to generate more subadmins. Okay, so subadmins can be many. Okay, so this admin will generate the subadmins, can generate many subadmins. Okay, and these subadmins can have the specific role and permission, like the CMS module we have added. So the admin, super admin, will able to decide that he want to give the CMS pages role to which subadmin. Okay, so subadmin we are going to add. So first thing is that we are going to add few more subadmin. We used to call it subadmin because subadmin, like admin can able to add the more subadmin like subcategory. So it is same like we are adding here the subadmin. Okay, so we are going to add the few subadmin with the help of seeder command here. Then we are going to show these subadmins here in the admin panel. We are going to make this separate module in which we are able to show these subadmin in the same way like we have shown the CMS pages. We are going to show here the subadmins, and we will also add that add feature, edit, as well as the delete subadmin feature as well. Okay, so first of all we are going to add these few subadmins to the admins table with the help of the seeder command. So we are going to modify admin table seeder. Here we have already added one admin. This entry we have earlier added with the help of seeder only. Now the ID is 2, and we are going to add, like I'm going to add with the name Amit, and here I'm going to add the type here as the subadmin. We are going to make it like subadmin, and mobile number we're going to change here 97, and here Amit at the rate of admin.com. I'm going to make this email, and one more entry I'm going to add here with the ID 3, and I'm going to make it like the John subadmin, and we'll make it number like this one or any other. Okay, like this. Okay, and here I'm going to make it like John. Okay, like this. So I'm going to add this in database seeder, this one here. We are going to call this admin table seeder. I'm going to hide this one. Okay, and we'll run the php artisan db seed command. Okay, so this is our project 10. I have services, new terminal folder. In Windows you know how to run your artisan command. Okay, php artisan db seed. Okay, so see, it's a seeding database, and it's run successfully, and now we are going to see two more entries of this subadmin as well. So our admins table will have three entries, one with the type admin and two with the type subadmin. So this admin added these two subadmin, and we are going to add the roles for this subadmin later on. Okay, this is the kind of the role, like subadmin is a kind of the role, and its access that we are going to give to this subadmin is a kind of the permission. Okay, so there are two things here, need to learn this thing, role and permission. Okay, so what is it exactly? See, role is the subadmin is a kind of the role. Okay, subadmin we have created, it's a type of the role, and subadmin is a role. Okay, is a role, like you can add more roles as well. Okay, and permission here, permission is the access, permission is the access to access for specific module. Okay, for specific module, like CMS pages module, like we have added, like if you want to give this access to some particular subadmin or not, it's your choice. Okay, like this. So here, now we are going to display this subadmin. See, admin we are not going to display, admin information will not update. From here, see, admin can able to update his details from his own account. Here, from here he can able to update his details, but here we are not going to show all the like all the admin. We will just make the subadmins, we're going to show the subadmins. Okay, because subadmin details is not coming here, so we are going to show here the subadmins. So we are going to make the subadmins module. So now first of all, we are going to add the subadmins in the left sidebar, like after CMS pages, we can add one subadmin as well, subadmin module as well. I'm going to close these files, and in sidebar I'm going to add here, like we have added the CMS pages earlier, and I'm going to add it like this. I'm going to copy the same one. Okay, and we'll paste it here. I'm going to remove this one, is not required, and here we are going to make it subadmin. But I'm thinking like if we can also add these subadmin in the settings. Okay, let's add like this. Okay, separately we can add, and this one we will keep it before CMS pages here, and here instead of CMS pages we are going to make it subadmins, and here as well subadmins. Okay, subadmins, and okay, so here we are going to see its module will be here subadmins. Okay, but here we need to see that we need to change its icon as well. I don't know that which icon there is, if there is any icon like FA admin. Is there any icon? No, there is no icon as such. Okay, so we can add some other, like FA user. FA user is the icon, so right now we can also add it like this. Okay, subadmins. Okay, subadmins. Okay, so there can be multiple subadmins, so that's why the multiple are coming here. Okay, so later on we can also make the user section in which we are going to display the subadmin as well as the users, or something other as per our own wish. Okay, it's our own wish. Okay, so now in this subadmin we are going to click on this subadmin. Okay, so this we don't have any module added so far, so we're going to create its route in web.php file. Here after display CMS pages, here we are going to add this subadmin route. Okay, so this time we are going to make our own files. Okay, we are not using the resource controller, we have already added the admin controller earlier on. Okay, so here we are going to make the get route and subadmins, and we are going to add in the admin controller one function, subadmin function we are going to add inside the admin controller. Let's open the admin controller in which we are going to create this function, subadmin function, at the last. Okay, we are going to create this function in which we are going to display only the subadmins. Okay, not the admin. Public function subadmins. Okay, so we are going to display here $subadmin. We're going to write the query to get all the subadmin from the admin table, we are going to add the condition where type is subadmin, because we want to show the subadmins only, subadmin. And we're going to use here the get all active inactive subadmin will come. Return view here admin. In admin we are going to create one folder, subadmin folder, and we are going to create one file as well, subadmin file as well. And this subadmin, although we are using the object, okay, we can use the array as well with compact, and this subadmins we can able to send here like this. Okay, so now we are going to add resources, views, admin, and here inside this one we are going to add one folder, subadmins folder. And in this we are going to create the new file in back. We need to create the file like this, touch subadmins.blade.php. okay, so we can access this file, and this file we can open here in the admin panel, subadmin. Okay, so now we need to add again. Okay, so the admin design we can get from the CMS pages here. So this complete we can copy as paste here, and we can make changes here. Instead of CMS pages we are going to display here the subadmins. Okay, and also see add here also CMS page here also we are going to display here the subadmin. Okay, here subadmin as well, subadmins. Okay, so here also subadmin, later on we will add this one. And now also here subadmin. So this id in data table we are going to add in custom.js file, where I think we are having not having here resources, views, admin, layout. We're going to check here in this layout. See here data table, we are going to add the data table for subadmin as well. So we're going to add subadmins here to call the data table for the subadmin. Okay, so here we need to correct the columns as well. We are going to add show the subadmin related column like id, after that name, after that mobile, and after mobile we're going to show here the email as well, email, after email type as well, created on the date in which we have created the subadmin. Okay, then action. Okay, so here sorry here we are going to add the subadmins array. So it's not the array though, this time it's the object, so we need to work with the object as well. So here we need to display it like this, subadmin id like this. So in the same way we are going to display for all. Okay, here as well like this. Okay, subadmin name, subadmin mobile, and subadmin type. After this this subadmin is created at, we are going to add here created at. Okay, so this we can left we can remove for now. Okay, so I think type id, name, mobile, email as well. So we are going to check it now whether we able to display this subadmin or not. We will go back, refresh, and we click on subadmin. Now let's click on subadmin and we'll see subadmins are coming here, and you can see, but we not able to select the subadmin at the left sidebar. So here also so see subadmin session is not added. So we are going to add the session for the subadmin, like we used to add the session for all the modules. So for the subadmin as well we are going to add the session, and here the subadmin will come in this session, so that we can able to select the subadmin at the left sidebar as well. Okay, see here the subadmin, and subadmin is selected at the left sidebar. So here two of the subadmin we have added. See, one first ID is not displayed because that belongs to the admin, so that is that we are not going to display here. Okay, rest of the subadmins we able to display here. It's your wish that if you want to display the admin as well, then you can display the admin information as well. Okay, so here this data table is working fine. You can able to search the subadmin as well. Like if you will search Amit, only Amit result will come. If you will search John result will come. Also the sorting is there. See here the entries are there, search option, paging. Okay, everything seems to be here. Okay, so this one, see the sorting is also here. Once you will click here, see it is working fine. 3 2 like this, name, alphabetical order. Okay, like this. So now in the next video we are going to make this subadmin, we are going to add the active and inactive status for the subadmin, and also we are going to add the delete feature for the subadmin as well. So please stay tuned for the next video. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.